Hello everyone. Well, it's that time of year again. Yes, it's Black Friday. Well, Black Friday has now turned into Black Friday season, hasn't it? A lot of stores have started Black Friday early, and today is the launch of Shark's Black Friday offer. This vacuum that I'm about to open is a limited edition Black Friday upright, but it incorporates the latest Shark features, the anti-hair wrap, and of course the powered lift away. Okay, without any further ado, let's get this machine opened and we'll have a look. When Shark offered to send me this vacuum to review on their website, there wasn't even a picture of it. I had no idea what I would be unboxing. But one thing I guessed, which is proved correct, is the vacuum would be, of course, black, because it is a Black Friday limited edition. It seems to be a fairly regular lift-away model, a powered lift-away model with the anti-hair wrap technology, both in the main DuoClean brush roll and the small turbo nozzle. But it comes with two additional tools, well, actually one toolkit and an extra tool. This is the extra tool. So they haven't dumbed down this. This will be on offer at their website. I'll leave a link below. I don't know how much it's going to be at the time of making the video. As soon as I find out, I'll put the details under the video. And when you see this video, it will be available to buy from Shark's website. So apart from the main cleaner, this is an extra tool you get with the Black Friday edition. This is the under appliance wand, designed to reach under your large appliances, your fridge, freezer, your washing machine, etc. You can actually extend it even more. It won't even fit in the screen, it's that long. So that's going to reach right under your appliances to the wall at the back. And you can see there's a large suction inlet here to get all the dust bunnies that gather under your appliances. What I find under my appliances when I manage to move them, often dog biscuits, as well as, of course, I've got two dogs, dog hair, and of course any crumbs, especially in the kitchen. Any large furniture that's got a gap that small, you can use it under. It doesn't have to just be under your appliances. So that is a bonus with the Black Friday limited edition, as is, if I reach over, this is the car detail kit. I'll just open it because it's a bit reflective. Now this is designed for cleaning inside your car and all those tiny little detailed areas, such as the vents on your heating and air conditioning system, all those little nooks and crannies where dust and dirt can collect. Comes with this nice little bag, very handy. Everything should fit in there, so you can keep that in your car if you want to. But it's not just useful in your car. With all these small tools, this is also useful for detailed cleaning in the home. I'm thinking small ornate ornaments, your electronics, especially all your electronics that have the air grills at the back, or cooling fans. If you've got an old-fashioned computer with a tower, you can use all these different nozzles to remove the dust from around those areas. So a handy little bonus that comes with this Shark limited edition Black Friday cleaner. Of course, this cleaner comes with all the tools you expect to receive with a Shark upright, including this tool with litter pickers. This is ideal for pet hair. You can use this on your upholstered furniture, stair carpets, car interiors, curtains, that sort of thing. It does swivel, so you can angle it in different directions. So that is standard and that comes on board. That will store on the machine, as does the combined crevice and dusting tool. So used this way, it's a crevice tool for getting inside your car, down the sides of your chairs. But you've also got a brush built in. You press the button and this little soft brush comes out, and you can use that for cleaning your Venetian blinds, pelmet rails, tops of your skirting boards, etc. And again, that tool stores on board. The other additional tool you get, which is ideal for pet owners, is the anti-hair wrap technology small turbo brush. And as you can see, instead of brushes, this one has these rubber blades. So it'll pick up pet hair off your upholstered furniture, your pet bedding, etc. But it shouldn't wrap around. There's a lot of nozzles like this with brushes. You have to clean them from time to time. But this one should stay tangle free. due to the design of the nozzle. So that is also included. Okay, we've got a little bit of assembly to do before I can demonstrate this vacuum. I've recently been accused of dumbing down my videos, showing things that are far too obvious. Well, for every person that finds assembling and maintaining a vacuum cleaner easy, there are several people that need a bit of extra help. So that's why I show you step by step how to do things in my videos. And I know from the comments under many of my videos that people do appreciate that. But today I'm going to show you how easy it is to assemble this vacuum in one go. I'm not going to do any editing, I'll do it in real time. So obviously there are a few component parts. This is the main lift away suction pod. We've got the DuoClean brush roll, the handle / extension wand, and of course the hose. So let's get this machine assembled in probably less than a minute. So first thing we need to do is attach the DuoClean brush roll to the wand. Just clicks in, click it in like this. That's that. Then we connect the handle end of the hose to the end of the wand. Again, it's just a push and click fit. There we go, that's in. Then we can take the lift away pod. Just here is where we insert the hose. It'll only go in one way, and that clicks into position. So basically that is assembly already. And then to use it as an upright cleaner, we just need to locate the suction pod onto the handle until it locks into position. So there's the machine more or less fully assembled. All we have to do now is just unhook the cable, tie from the middle of the mains cord, and then wrap it round the hooks provided on the cleaner. And to stop the hose flapping about when it's in upright mode, you simply click it into this holder here. And finally, position the combination crevice and dusting tool on this side of the cleaner and the upholstery tool on this side. So that's the Shark powered lift away with DuoClean and anti-hair wrap technology, fully assembled and ready to use. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon, and you'll be updated every time I upload a new floor care video, which will include of course the full demonstration of this Shark later on today. If you have any comments or questions about this Shark vacuum cleaner, please comment below, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.